Okay, hi there students. Jargon. Jargon is technical terminology that belongs to a specific subject. Okay, jargon are technical words and phrases that experts do, or they're words that are associated with a particular field. Jargon may well not be understood by people who do not know this context. So you could have legal jargon or newspaper jargon or football jargon. Okay, this is special words and language that is associated with a particular field and used by professionals and people who know about it to talk about a specific area. So you can have jargon in any subject. In the jargon of learning English, the adjectives and then a noun clause and transitive and intransitive. There's jargon everywhere. When you take your car to the garage, the mechanic uses a load of jargon so that you don't know what he's going to do, and he can charge you almost anything he wants. Language that is on about one particular field. Very often jargon can be also talk about obscure and pretentious language and long words. So his essay was full of jargon and it was difficult to understand. So you can use jargon to talk about language that you don't understand as well. Something that it's difficult to get your mind round. Okay, so military jargon, computer jargon, the CPU, talk to your ISP, the RAM. Okay, all of these are pieces of jargon. Normally we don't say a jargon. Jargon is normally uncountable. So a piece of jargon, this word is jargon. So be careful of that about keeping it uncountable. I enjoyed the book, but there was too much jargon. It was a good book, but there were too many specific details. If you want to be well understood, you need to use a jargon-free language or jargon-free vocabulary because it makes it accessible. Jargon it's a way of excluding outsiders. Okay, so how formal is this word jargon? I'd give it a 5. You could use it anywhere. It probably comes to us from Old French, jargon, which is talking about a gorgon, gargantuan, big. And this is a chatter, a talk. So, jargon. It's good to use the word jargon in your essay, but I wouldn't use too much technical jargon because it'll just be incomprehensible to the layman. Okay, so jargon. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Jargon.